pour. Black plates spread across the floor. Long base rails side by side. First we build the taxi ride. 10 axle pins push through the frame. Left and right they match the same. Studs stay open down the track. Chassis strong and glossy black. Driver starts from legs and vest. Jacket printed on his chest. Head clicks down, cap goes on. Cap shift ready at the dawn. Little hands and city grin. He'll be waiting to climb in. Before the wheels, before the glass. Driver's built and ready fast. Click it down, line it straight. Every stud knows where to wait. Press that plate, snap that brick. Yellow taxi coming quick. Build the base, build the ride. Black below and gold outside. Hand claps hitting baseline rolls. Taxi taking shape and rolls. Brown plates drop where seats will sit. White studs mark the center bit. Gray blocks rise behind the wheel. Cabin layout starts to feel. Rear section stacks with careful height. Everything squared left and right. Slope and bracket, plate and pin. Interior details settling in. Back end builds with yellow curves. Red tail lights on black reserves. Rounded arches start to wrap. Rear fenders lock with one more snap. Gray support and brown seat backs. Sidewalls climbing on the tracks. Taxi body open top. Layer by layer it won't stop. Click it down, line it straight. Every stud knows where to wait. Press that plate, snap that brick. Yellow taxi coming quick. Build the base, build the ride. Black below and gold outside. Hand claps hitting baseline rolls. Taxi taking shape and rolls. Back two begins, the nose ahead. Curved black pieces start to spread. Yellow plates prepare the front. Hood and bumper take the brunt. Dashboard tile with buttons blue. Driver controls come into view from rear frame but front in line. This taxi build is right on time. Click it down, line it straight. Every stud knows where to wait. Press that plate, snap that brick. Yellow taxi coming quick. Build the base, build the ride. Black below and gold outside. Hand claps hitting baseline rolls. Taxi taking shape and rolls. Bag two begins, the nose ahead. Curved black pieces start to spread. Yellow plates prepare the front. Hood and bumper take the brunt. Dashboard tile with buttons blue. Driver controls come into view from rear frame but front in line. This taxi build is right on time.
Taxi face looks clean and neat. Side pieces fill the cabin wall. Gray seats waiting for the call. Brown seat cushions, upright backs. Passenger rows on studded tracks. Printed tackside panels on the side. City skyline starts the ride. Long yellow rails run front to rear. That classic cap shape getting clear. Mirror stand beside the seat. Little black tile looking neat. Cabin's open, roof not there. Still enough to feel the fare. Click it down, make it tight. Yellow cab is shining bright. Brick by brick and row by row. Watch that city taxi grow. Snap the slope, set the line. Every part lands right on time. Front to back and side to side. Build that Lego taxi ride. Bag three opens, passenger first. Hair clicks on and bags are nursed. Laptop case and luggage too. Now leaving, maybe arrive. Maybe she's got a meeting at 5. Laptop packed and suitcase near. Where she's headed isn't clear. Coming or going, stay tuned soon. Under the bright brick afternoon. But first the build has more to do. Glass and roof are coming through. Click it down, make it tight. Yellow cab is shining bright. Brick by brick and row by row. Watch that city taxi grow. Snap the slope, set the line. Every part lands right on time. Front to back and side to side. Build that Lego taxi ride. Windshield leans into the frame. Roof panel gives the cab its name. Bricksburg sign goes on the top. Now the taxi starts to pop. 4 tires built with hubcaps pressed. Push them on and finish the rest. Final click and there it stands. Yellow taxi in your hands. Thanks for watching Build Complete. Lego City on the beat. From black chassis to roof sign high. From tiny bags to taxi ride. Like, subscribe and come back soon. More bright builds with a pop rock tune. First fair weight and wheels are spun. Yellow taxi 6 are coming through.